If you have PCOS, this video is for you. Today I'll break down all the essential information you need and share the most impactful remedies to help you manage PCOS naturally. As a certified holistic nutritionist, I don't recommend allopathic solutions like metamorphin, anti-androgens or other medications. I believe these medications only mask the symptoms, providing temporary relief rather than addressing the root cause. Instead, I focus on holistic solutions, approaches that work in harmony with your body, have no harmful side effects, and aim to resolve the underlying issues. Many people turn to allopathy because it offers quick symptom relief, and understandably, doctors often prescribe medication as part of their practice. With all due respect to medical professionals who are truly incredible, especially in emergencies, I firmly believe that when it comes to chronic health issues like PCOS or diabetes, lifestyle changes are the key to long-term healing. Chronic stress, late nights, overeating, especially acidic foods like junk and fast food, and a sedentary lifestyle create havoc on your health. But that does not mean you have to give up enjoying life. As Buddha once said, choose the middle path. It's all about balance. Follow the 80-20 principle. 80% of the time you focus on healthy habits, and the remaining 20% of the time allow yourself some flexibility. This principle is actually at the core of everything we do at Fabulous Body, and it's a sustainable way to live well without feeling restricted. With that thought in mind, let's dive into today's topic, PCOS. Now, PCOS differ from PCOD. PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome is a hormonal and metabolic disorder that affects the ovaries and can have systemic effects on the body. PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease is a condition where the ovaries produce immature eggs that can turn into cysts over time. And here's a table comparing the two. Please click a screenshot. Now, if you suffer from PCOS or know someone with this disorder, you know it can lead to irregular menstrual cycles, difficulty conceiving or infertility, acne and oily skin, hair thinning or hair loss, and unwanted hair growth. One of the biggest root causes of PCOS is insulin resistance, affecting 50 to 80% of women with this condition. High insulin levels trigger the ovaries to produce excess androgens, worsening symptoms like acne, unwanted hair growth, and weight. Additionally, chronic inflammation is often present in PCOS, leading to hormonal imbalances and metabolic issues. The most effective way to reverse PCOS is to normalize fasting insulin levels. This is a crucial marker of optimal health. High fasting insulin is a precursor to insulin resistance, which is at the root cause of not just PCOS, but many chronic diseases, including diabetes, of course. Instead of relying on temporary fixes like medication, PCOS requires long-term lifestyle changes. And here's how to simplify your approach. The first step, always get tested. If you have symptoms, consult a healthcare professional and get tested for fasting insulin and HbA1c levels. This will help you confirm the diagnosis. Then focus on building key health habits. Since PCOS and PCOD falls under the category of chronic diseases, the solution must be sustainable, not just a quick fix. So first point is start with sleep optimization. Check out this video, which will help you build an effective nighttime routine. Second is to eat a plant-forward diet. Soon I'll be creating an in-depth video on this topic. In the meantime, enroll for free in our FabD diet course, which covers the fundamentals of balanced, simple, and sustainable eating. Third point is workout. FPX training. You do not need a gym or fancy equipment. The future of fitness is home workouts, focusing on flexibility and mobility. And fourth, stress reduction and mindset shift. Spiritual practices like meditation, surrendering your outcomes, and mindfulness leads to a strong and positive mindset. And this brings me to an important energy center, the sacral chakra. In the previous 2 videos, I have discussed how imbalances in either of the 7 chakras can lead to problems with the associated hormonal gland. When your sacral chakra is imbalanced, it can lead to reproductive and hormonal issues, further aggravating PCOS symptoms. Now, folks, if all these steps sound overwhelming, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm currently working on a 21-day hormone imbalance fix course designed to help you optimize your hormones naturally in a structured, step-by-step way. If you want early access and exclusive discounts, comment PCOS below and I'll send you the details. Also, if you haven't downloaded a free ebook, the link is in the description box below. I'm Akash. Thank you so much for your time.